Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect UniTerminal right here to cTrader. And first of all, what we're going to do is we go right here to brokers and then we go down to load more, and then from here we select the U. Then we have UniTerminal right here, and then we click on open account, and then he will send us to the broker of UniTerminal. Then right here we go to open an account, and then once you created yourselves an account, there are two important things that you need to know. Because the first step is that when you're filling in right here the email address, you need to use the email address that you are using right here in cTrader. And you can find this by going right in the top, and then here is the email address. Then after that, if you go back, if you will do right here the setup for your account, at one moment he asks you which platform will you want to use. Then you need to select right there the cTrader option, then do the complete account registration, and then when the account registration is done, you go to cTrader and he will automatically sync that account right here in this list. So you need to be sure that you are using the correct email and that you are using or selected the platform type cTrader. And once you did both of them, he will automatically sync it right here in this list. I already did this for Fusion markets, FP markets, FTMO, FX Pro and IC markets. And this is exactly the way how you can connect UniTerminal to cTrader. So hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.